Good morning. Another beach, another day, and we've had a few days of torrential rain, so it's the first time I've been out for a few days. This morning still looks a bit iffy. The sun has risen behind the clouds, and I wouldn't be surprised if I get rained on a bit later on. I'm not sure if they're moving towards me or away from me at the moment. Anyway, I've been on the beach for a little while and not really found a lot at all. No coins, just lots of ring pulls and bits of foil and bottom tops. So anyway, the day is still young, as they say, so we'll see what we can find. I'll talk to you later. Another target. It's in the ring pull area, but seems a little different, so I don't know. A piece of foil instead. It's a bit of foil. Very small bit of foil. Oop, it's in there somewhere. Stuck to the surface. It's gone out the hole. Oh no, there it is. Tiny bit of foil. Okay. Another target. I believe another coin. That rain is picking up a bit. But there we go. Not too cold at the moment. It's still in the hole. Hey, what a hobby. Got to laugh, haven't you? It's still there. Looks like it this time. Coin. Make out what it is. Another 50 cents. Okay, another target. It's in the foil area, ring pulls, but occasionally get the odd ring in that area too. So, oh, and even earrings. Now I hate to say this, but that may be gold in the scope. Or it could be just bling. Been fooled the last couple of days on things like that, but it looks good. But then the ring I found the other day looked good, so don't know until I get home, have a good look, find out then. Okay, another target. Again down in the bottom end. Same idea as the earring I found a short while ago, so it'd be nice to have another earring, wouldn't it? And all I see is bits of foil. There we go. Bit of foil. Go. Right, another target. I think it's supposed to be a ring pull, but we'll have a look and see. A bit of foil. Okay, another possible coin. Still in the hole. Scoop first. Pebbles. coin. Looks like a 20 cent. Okay, another target. Leave a coin. Find out in a sec. Still in the sand. The rain seems to have eased off now, which is good. Still in the sand. Just check the scales. There's more than one coin. Oh, there is. So, one coin, which is a euro. Let's see what else is here. It's nice when you get a bit of a coin spill. I've had some good ones over the time. Let's just double check. Skip again, because I think there's still another one in the hole. Yep, there's another euro. Well, I've been digging and digging in this hole and eventually found it. It's a €2 coin, but it was giving off hardly any signal at all. Strange. There you go. Right, another clear target. The coin range. Lost my ears out, that one did. Goodness, it woke me up, so I've been daydreaming a bit. Too many targets for anything there. Yep, there's 50 cents, new one. That looks it. Okay, show and tell time. Did quite well on the coin front in the end. There was quite a lot of coins which came up out of different holes, and a few of them together in little groups, so that was good. The next thing was this target. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it was all giving me all sorts of different IDs, and judging by the look of it, it's got at least 4 different types of metal in it, but there you go, a bit of junk anyway. And the other thing I did find, which I was a little bit hesitant about at the time, is this gold earring, and I've now tested it and it is gold, so very happy with that. So in the end, a good result. Had a good morning. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.